Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn how to host a static website on the GitHub page. First, I will write some HTML code. Then I will push the code in the GitHub. GitHub will generate the website link. Then I should click on that link and my website should be displayed. Okay, so let's get started. First, I create a folder on my desktop. So right click, click new and click folder and name the folder. I say my project. You can name anything you like. Then I'm going to the type here to search and type Sublime text. So if you do not have Sublime text, you can download or you can use any editor that you can use for writing the HTML code. So I'm going to use the Sublime. So click on it. So the Sublime text editor will be open. Now what you are going to do, click, just mouse over on the project, the folder you created, and drag it to anywhere in the Sublime. You see, you just mouse over and just click and drag to the anywhere in the Sublime. So you will see my project here. So on the mouse over again on the my project, right click, click on new file, then click file, save as. You see it's already on the my project, desktop my project. So I'm going to save as index.html. Make sure you give the file name exactly the way I give. If you want to follow my lecture, enter. Now I'm going to start writing the code. So press Shift key from your keyboard and press Shift and the less than sign, and then type HTML and enter. You see, I just press the Shift, Shift, then less than sign, then enter. See, structure of the HTML code is given to me by default. Otherwise, I have to type everything, right? So let me delete this thing, line number 4 to 6. Okay, so now let's try to understand a little bit of the documentation of the HTML. So as you see on the line number 1, it's a less than, then the special symbol and .type HTML. So it is basically it declare that we are going to use the HTML, and the HTML is always start with the open tag. You see the less than, then HTML, then close. So this is called a open HTML, and line number 10 is closed. And again, they provide another tag called head and close head, and inside the head, they put the title. So now what is the title? The title is nothing but it will display on your browser. Let me open the browser first. If you type facebook.com, you see on the top, this is called facebook.com. I mean, this is called title, right? If you type Google, and this is the title of the Google. Okay. So we are going to first provide the title of our page. So before that, let me show you how currently is displayed. So in order to open the browser, the Chrome browser, what you have to do, click anywhere empty space in the subline, then right click, open in Chrome browser. You see it's open in the Chrome browser right here. And what do you see on the title right now? Title right now, it's a index.html. So we are going to change this title to the sign up. So line number 5, I am going to write sign up. Oops, missing something. Sign up. Then Control S or Command S to save this page. You have to save it. So now if I right click again, let me close this browser as well. Right click, open in browser. You see our title has been changed. Next, I'm going to add logo to our page. So I should see the logo on my left side right here. So what you can do, you can search any logo. It's a logo, free logo or something, anything you want. Like I have my, so I say Ikra Tech Solution. So this is my website. Let me see if I have a logo there. Should I have logo? So this is the logo. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, take the snapshot of my logo. You can take any, you can, capture any logo. So I'm going to say snipping, snip. You see on Windows, you see if you type snipping tool on the search box, you will have a snipping tool. So click new and just copy this logo, select. So it has been copied. I mean the capture. So now you have to save it. So file, save as, and make sure you have to save this file where your project is. So our project is on desktop, my project. So desktop, my project, and I'm going to rename this one logo. Now save. I don't need this browser anymore. Let me close it. Close this as well. Now you see on your project is logo.png has been added, right? So now I want to add this logo on the header section as well. So the tag for the logo is called image. So again, press shift and the less than sign, then I see img, and then it's asking for the source. So I'm going to say logo.png. Save. Right click and open in browser. You see logo is display on my page here. So now let's push this code, whatever we have right now, to the GitHub and get the URL. So in order to do that, I have to open Chrome browser, then type GitHub. You need to have GitHub account in order to log in. So I am going to use my GitHub credential. you're logging for the first time, after you create an account, you will see something like this. Click on this plus icon, then click new repository and the repository name. And you can say QA my project. You can name anything. So this is your website name. So QA-myPro, right? You can name anything you like. Then make sure, very important, click add a README file. So if you click this on and click on create a repository. So you will land it to this page, here. You see the readme.file. So now what you can do, click on add file, upload files. We're going to upload the file from our desktop, our project. So choose your file, click on desktop, and this is the file, right? So select both of them and click open. See index.html and we have on logo. Then click commit changes. Now click on settings. Then click on pages. Under the branch, click on this drop down and select main, because the file we just upload, it is under the main folder. So the main branch. So if you select this, leave everything else exactly the way it is, click save. After you save, it will take about 2 to 3 minutes, and the link should be displayed here. The website link, GitHub page, like the website link should be populated here. So after 2 or 3 minutes, the link is generated. So now I'm going to right click on it, open link in new tab, go to that tab, and as you see, our ICRA Tech solution, the logo display on my left, or on the left side. And this is the URL. Now I can share this URL to anyone so they can access this URL. Next, we are going to continue build our website. Now we are going to add the form, sign up form to our website. So the tag for that is form. So shaped less than symbol, then type form, enter. It will give you the open form and the close form tag. The first, I'm going to say sign up page, the sign up. And I'm going to make it bigger, and I'm going to use HTML tag for this. Sign up. And I'm going to close it. HTML. So save, then open browser again, right click, open in browser. You see sign up. But this sign up, I want in the middle section. So let me see if I can put side by side. Leave this on there. Okay. So in order in order to display sign up on the center, we have to use another tag called center. So again, shift less than center tag. And I'm going to copy this form, Control X, delete, and put that form is between this between the center, close center, and open center tag and close center tag. Save. Let me see if reflect here. Yeah, now we see sign up pages here. Now we are continuing. The first I'm going to make a label, like the first name labels, and then the input, like user can input their name. Okay, so it's called a label tag, label, and I'm say first name. Comment S. I can refresh this page now. You see, first name is displayed here. Next, I'm going to say input and save. Refresh the page, first name, then I have input tag. Now, second, what I can do, I can just copy this label and input and paste it here. Instead of first name, I can say last name. Refresh. You see, first name, last name is go on the same line, but I want first name, then it should display the last name. So in order to do that, there is another tag we have to use called break, BR. It stands for break. Let's save again. Is the first name, so it's not break properly. And let me try to put the break again. Actually, this break not on the first name, it should be under input. Okay, let me refresh the page. So now it's become underneath. So, but it still is, we need some space between first name and last name. So I can use another break here. Save. Now it's look nice. So the first name, last name, I can copy again the same code again. The last name under the input, enter, paste the code, make it alignment, and instead of last name, I'm going to say email. Command S, Control S, refresh. You see the email also print the same line. So I can use these two break, copy these two break, and paste it here. Control S. And this is how you can continue build the website. And also, like if you want to change the background color of this page, what you can do under the body, you see the body tag, opening body tag, make some space before the close the body tag here, and type BG color. You see it's automatic type. Now you can type any color you like. So if you want a blue, refresh the page, it will become a blue color. And if you in sky color, is a sky color. So you can change like however you want, right? So, but that has to be under, you see the body, then call busy color is equal to sky color. So it will give you the background color. So you have to save this. Next, we are going to update this code in the GitHub. So what you can do, our project is already in the GitHub, right? So click on the GitHub page and go click on this Ruby 455. You will see your, it's called a repository. This is the repository. Click on this repository. Now click index.html. And let me minimize what I'm going to do, since our code has been changed only this place. So I'm going to select all this code and copy. And now come back to here, index.html, and click this pencil icon. Delete the existing code and Command B or Control B to paste the code. And you have to commit, scroll down and commit changes. Again, it will take few minutes to take the change the reflect on for the change. So we already have the link. If you do not have the link, you can always click on settings button, click on pages. You will find the link here and visit site, or you can copy this link. So I'm going to right click on this visit site link, open, and it did not reflect yet. So I have to wait at least 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. So let me click on the visit site again. You see the change has been reflect here. So this is how we can upload our static website to the Bitbucket. Thank you.